Here are 5 key principles that can guide you towards success. Set clear goals. Define your why, understand what drives you and what success means to you personally. Break it down. Divide your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Visualize success. Create a mental image of your desired outcome. Embrace hard work and discipline. Consistent effort. Success rarely comes from bursts of energy. Time management. Prioritize tasks and create a structured routine. Accountability. Find a mentor, join a support group, or use tools to stay on track. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Continuous learning. Stay curious and seek out new knowledge and skills. Adapt to change. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans as needed. Build strong relationships. Networking. Connect with people in your field and industry. Collaboration. Work effectively with others to achieve shared goals. Mentorship. Seek guidance from experienced individuals. Take care of yourself. Physical health. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Mental well-being. Practice mindfulness, stress management techniques, and seek support when needed. Work-life balance. Make time for hobbies, relaxation, and social activities. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep taking steps towards your goals.